Well, friends, let's dig right into Bombardier and what's going on here with this. So I have been talking about Bombardier for so long now, and I hope people have been listening because I've been saying, like, listen, this is free money they're giving away right now. This stock is not stopping. They're going all the way back to November. This is when Bombardier started to move on the charts here, and it has been doing an amazing job. This is honestly one of the best charts you are going to find out there right now. So from November hitting around 40 cents bid price, and right here around January is when I was telling people, hey, you might want to look at this. Then moving all the way up to April, hitting that 78 cents. A lot of news coming out, a lot of big things coming out with Bombardier. Well, guess what happened? It kept going up. So then I made a video around April and I said, hey, look at this, free money. It's gonna go up. There's more good news coming out. Well, I hope someone listened. I know I did, because look what happened right there around April. Bombardier said, you know what? I'm just gonna keep going here all the way to 80 to the 90. Boom, we just hit $1. We broke over $1 here just this lovely week. So Bombardier is over $1, and you know, 2 videos ago, I said, you know, don't be surprised if we see Bombardier hit around like $1.20. So saying that $1.20 mark, do I believe Bombardier is done here? Absolutely not. I think Bombardier is going to keep going here. And here's why I think so. So one reason is that the stock is really getting a lot of notoriety right now. It is becoming very well known. It is a very, very high volume stock right now, and people are getting their hands on it. The other big thing is Bombardier is completely restructuring their company. If you don't know, Bombardier is one of the top jet makers in the world. To make a long story short, when I talk about Bombardier restructuring their whole company, I literally cannot describe that any better. They have literally stopped making cars. They have stopped playing around with trains. They've made all kind of little tinker toy things here, there. They've gotten into too many things, and they have built up quite the rap sheet with debt. This company is one of the worst debt companies you will probably find, with one of the hottest volumes for stocks right now. But if you are a big fan of penny stocks and you're looking for something with high volume and to make you a quick buck pretty soon, definitely this is one for you. So one of the most recent things that happened here with Bombardier is the Air Force recently awarded Bombardier with a $465 million contract up to 6 more E-11A battlefield airborne communications aircraft. Pretty cool. So like I've said, I'm pretty sure the Air Force is going to cough up the money. That's money in the bank as long as Bombardier can deliver on their part. So if you're looking for a long-term relationship here with Bombardier, I'm going to go ahead and warn you. It's going to be a bumpy ride, and you better strap in because you're going to be here for a while the company tries to get out of debt. Now, obviously, if the company's stock keeps going up, if we can get Bombardier bid price anywhere around the $2, $2.50 zone, dare I say, you're probably going to immediately see a stock offering. Now, I personally would love that because I would like to be with Bombardier for the long run. So obviously when they take a stock offering, they're going to pay off massive amounts of debt, and they need it. They need that stock offering. They really do. Now, Bombardier's stock has never been, you know, an insane stock to hold, but now the company is actually restructuring. They are cleaning house. They are focusing on their main bread and butter, which are jets. And let's just hope to God they keep focusing on that. So, like I've said, this could be one of the best investments you've ever made, or this could be one of those investments like a year from now, you're going to be like, oh my God, why did I pour so much money into this? So this is really one you're going to have to pay a lot of attention to, friends. You're really going to have to keep up with this one. If this is something you're going with long term, you're really going to have to pay attention here and keep up with the news. In which case, I'm going to bring every piece of new news to you. So obviously subscribe, because I'm going to keep making videos on this company, because I have skin in the game with them. So friends, trying to keep this short and sweet, to the point, what's going on with Bombardier here. I hope that was helpful information. You know, like I said, I think we should definitely be looking for this $1.20 zone with Bombardier. I don't think that's ridiculous. I think the stock will do that. I think the stock is going to work its way up to where you're going to start to hear something about a stock offering, in which at that point you're probably going to want to sell out and then jump back in at a lower date, because obviously the stock is going to plummet back down probably to under $1 if it hits anywhere from $1.50 to $2 range, and then start to build itself up again, starting all over here. But friends, like always, remember, be positive, be you, take time to invest in your future. It's so important. And friends, I really hope you have a fantastic day. I really mean that. Best of luck on the market. It is a very dangerous place to play around. Bye, everyone.